This is my new Suzuki GSX750. She's not in the best shape ever. Don't know how genuine that is. But this is pretty much how it got delivered to my front door. All the fairings are there, but they are just sort of sitting on. They will just pop off. I'll grab them off now. That's how she arrived at my joint. Taking the liberty of covering up the carburetors there. It does have the airbox and everything, so that makes it a little bit easier, but essentially, yeah, first order of business. I think I'll start on the fuel tank. Take you through that. It's got a little bit of rust in it. It's not horrible, a little bit. So the fuel tank came as is, just sitting on there. So we'll get this bad boy off. Let's see if we can get some rust out. So I don't really know what is or isn't going to leak, so I've just patched all these up. I'll just fill it with some vinegar. Just see what happens, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't leak. She's all filled up. That was 6 litres of the double strength vinegar, and then the rest just filled with water in about a 20 litre tank. So we'll let that sit for 24 hours or so and come back and see how she goes. Next I'm going to get started on these carbs. I've never done a Carby before, but I got an ultrasonic cleaner and that, so we'll just see what happens. It's the worst that can happen. So now we're taking the Carbies off. It's just these 4 screws connecting on here to the rubber boots. I've been told to take these all the way out pretty well. Just makes it a little bit easier for the job. Yep, they've put that one in not a horrible spot, which is good. Do that one, and 2 more. Alrighty, Carby's on the bench, relatively stress-free. So yeah, I guess I'll just start ripping into them, pulling them apart one by one. I'm told that Carby number 3, which I believe is this one, is slightly different from the rest. One of the pilot screws or something is a bit different, so I'll just see how that goes. Notice one of these has been broken off. I don't really know what that sort of does, but anyway, start pulling these apart. Off and numbered, all their parts. Carburetor 1 and 2 were missing a little O-ring. I was told this bike was running, but you know, who knows really. I think someone else has had a crack at cleaning these, but anyway, I've just got the railing just about ready to come off. Get that off and keep pulling out of pieces. four dots here. This one might be the first one we try and sort of pull apart. Not horrible, but someone else has had a crack in there. Gasket looks good. Alrighty, so that's one carburetor fully pulled apart. Everything that I can get out, I've got out. The fuel bowl there, a little bit of shit in there. That's alright. Got the fuel bowl screw, gasket, 2 screws that hold it on, float, some of our jets here, some of the internal parts. This is for the choke, and then the upper end, which we pulled apart before. So I'll pull this down just a little bit further just to get the metal parts out, and then once my ultrasonic cleaner degreaser arrives, I'll be able to clean them all. So on to pulling the next ones apart. Just got this bit popped out of there with the spring on. Go in our little Ziploc baggie here with all of our metal parts. Got this pin which comes off orange first, and then white slides off the bottom. Left with these two. Go back on there. I've got this here. Figure out how that comes out. Onto carburetor number 3. Not horrible, but like a bit of shit in there. A little bit of shit. Alrighty, I've just sprayed some WD-40 down the cylinders. We've got all 4 spark plugs out. Just going to see if she turns over.